Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at the software we need to install to be able to digitalize the process of creating our routes. So it's traditionally, if we wanted to create a route for hiking or tramping or mountain biking or whatever, we'd get out all the topographic maps, start trying to draw little pencil lines along those maps and then try and work out the gradients, the tracks we want to take. We'd then store those maps somewhere and put them away for the use, put them away, get them out again next time we want to use them. But all of this can be done nowadays using something we call a geographic information system. So from the Wikipedia definition, a geographic information system is a system designed to capture, store, manipulate, analyze, manage and present spatial or geographic data. So we think of it, all those lines that we're drawing on the maps, so the lines and the maps themselves are geographic data. And we can do a bunch more stuff with this. So what we're going to look at is we're going to look at a free and open source software package called QGIS. Which can be used as a GIS system. So I'll put the link in down below in the video. So you just got to click on this link, and it should open up the download page. You can see that there's downloads for Windows, for Mac, Linux, BSD, and Android. So choose whichever one you need. Here we're on a Windows machine, and we can see that we've got so up here is the network installer, so we won't be needing these. So we want a standalone installer. We got the latest release, which is going to have all the features. So if we don't want it to be, it's going to be stable, but we don't want it to be like ultra stable for consultancy work or professional work, is we can download this version here. So we can see the latest version is 3.6. I believe it's 3.6.2. So you click that and download this guy. And we can see here I've just downloaded it a minute ago, and we'll go through the installation process now. So once we've downloaded the file, open up the file. You're going to have to click accept. So standard installer, we click next. This is the agreement terms, so we're going to have to agree to that. Just install it to the default path unless there's a reason you don't want to do that. We don't want any datasets in here. If you want some datasets downloaded with it, you can just easily tick these, but in my case I don't want any extra datasets. And we can see now it's just going to set off extracting and installing everything. Right, so there we go. We can see that it's flicked to the next screen automatically, and everything has been installed. We've got some icons over here on the desktop, which I'm going to delete now because I do not like them there. And then we click finish. Just to check the installation, we just open up the tool. So if I type in QGIS and we just click open, we can see that the software has been installed, and hopefully everything is installed correctly. And there we have it. So QGIS has started up fine, and we have QGIS installed on our machine. Hopefully this was useful. If you're having troubles with the installation process, if you've got any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Goodbye.